Hey, what is up, everyone? Hope everyone's ready for the NBA Finals. Thank you to all the new subscribers I got here. I'm going to open up this 1998 from Treat Entertainment. 30 different basketball cards. Some good potential to be something really good in here. I don't know where this would have been. Anybody remember Fridge? Fridge just has some good deals. That card just might be tough to open. I don't know who I'm going to go for yet in the finals. I've been a Warriors fan in the past, but I don't like all the players changing teams. Originally, I was a big Thunder fan, Bulls first, but alright. Charles Smith, David Wesley, Bob Sura, Eric Dampier, Tyus Edney, Kerry Kittles, Hersey Hawkins, Dennis Rodman on there. We got Nick Anderson, Randolph Childress, and that is a Steve Nash rookie. Greg Anderson, Mitch Richmond, Cheryl Ford. Just going to turn all these around. The Gem Master Brent Berry. Cool card, it's just a base card. Malik Silly. Rest in peace. Brian Shaw. John Stockton. It is messed up, but Josh Grant. Lionel Simmons. Sharon Wright. Johnny Newman. Scott Williams. Michael Finley, second year card. Marcus Camby, rookie card. And the Allen Iverson rookie, nice. Randy Brown, Ed O'Bannon, and the Latrell Sprewell. Well, that did turn out good. And that was, back in the day, that would have been $2.97. So that would have been a really good buy. Even with the Stockton messed up, you got the Iverson rookie, Marcus Camby, and a Steve Nash rookie. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the NBA Finals. Let me know what you think about that truck there. See you on the next one.